Okay, you come. Come here, come.
超明显的。
If you can tell me the event name today, I'll give you one prize. What's the event name today? What birthday? Whose birthday? Who is the bird? Sorry? John? No? No? Okay, let me tell you the answer. It's Weekend at Expo birthday party. Okay? And who is the bird? The bird is the Weekend Expo mascot. You guys want to see a big bird? You want to see a big bird? Thank you very much. You guys want to see a big bird? Can I please? Joe, can you do something to make the bird is gonna be big, you know, huge, bigger, I think 100 times than your bird, right? I mean, your bird, I mean, yeah. So, you know, we're gonna make the bird come out because I can't bring the bird out, it's too big. I need Joe help. Can you bring a big stick to make the bird out, your big stick? Is this still around? Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3. You guys hear anything? Can you hear the bird sound? Oh my God! Can you make some noise? The bunny coming out! Oh! Here comes the bunny! Oh, bunny! Come on, make some noise! There's a bunny buzzing with all of you! Thank you, Joe, once again. Okay, guys. Say hi! Say hi! You guys like bird? You guys like a bird? Okay. Is it nice? Something only a bird is not so special. Music Global loved it. Because we got something very special is beside the bird we have a special bird dance. It's not a chicken dance but a bird dance. You know how's a bird dance like? Can you guys stand up? We're gonna dance together! A bird dance! We can explore bird dance, okay? Not chicken dance, huh? You guys ready for the bird dance? You guys ready? Only special for all of you today. Alright? Music, and we're gonna have the bird dance. Dancer, please.
You need to set up.
Dance first.
Louder, clap louder, come on. Let's move together. That's the bird dance. mascot? Say hi again, once again. Okay, do you like to dance anyway? Do you like to dance? Is it simple? You guys can dance? You guys can dance? Cannot. Is it simple enough? You guys are gonna play a very simple game.